a fine afternoon. Sure hope my Meals on Wheels came.
Grandma, did you take your pills today?
Shut up. Ow. Alright, give me those pills.
Ow, my heel! Ow. Fine. Take your freaking gummy bears.
I better take all of them. Open them for me.
Jeez, Grandma, you can't open it. Childhood?
Give me my darn pills.
There.
They're strawberry.
So? I thought you liked strawberry.
I like poison berry.
Fine. Jeez.
Those nasty bugs. I need to get me some of that repellent spray. Oh, it's a bug. I took care of him, I did. Sunny, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Hey, Grandma, catch.
No, you catch. Oh, Sonny, did I do that? Make a deal. If you don't tell the cops, I'll let you use my life alert button.
What? Make a deal. You just shot me, Grandma.
Oh! I'll see you later, grandson. I'll see you in... whatever. I'm gonna go play bingo with the lady.
If I didn't care more than words can say, if I didn't care